Nothing. Phone 3 new concept designs emerged online, showing a sleek and minimalistic design combined with a transparent body and advanced features. The leaks suggest that the phone is set to offer a unique user experience with a focus on both style and performance. The Nothing Phone 3 represents the next step in mobile technology by seamlessly integrating a cutting-edge operating system with fast performance, offering a glimpse into the future of smartphones while maintaining the brand's distinctive aesthetics. Let's dive into the latest Nothing Phone 3 designs. A tech tipster Steven shared a new concept design for the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. The image showcases a conceptual design of the Nothing Phone 3. The back of the phone highlights the signature transparent design that reveals internal components, a hallmark of Nothing's device aesthetics. The circular element on the back likely signifies a wireless charging coil, surrounded by various elements of the phone's internals, including 3 camera lenses and a flash positioned near the top. The Nothing branding is placed at the bottom center of the back panel. The main highlight of the device is the camera setup. The design showcases 3 horizontal camera lenses placed on the upper side of the device, with a small straight glyph light stripe placed just below the camera setup. This new design is in line with earlier concept designs, having the same horizontal camera placement. Another highlight of the device is the front design. The screen features slim bezels, an iPhone 16-like dynamic island for the front camera, and an under-display fingerprint scanner represented by a circle at the bottom of the screen. This design perfectly aligns with Nothing's philosophy of merging functionality with transparent aesthetics, creating a phone that offers a unique visual experience from both the front and back. This design reflects the Nothing Phone's emphasis on simplicity, innovation, and standout features that blend aesthetics with technology. iPhone-like Dynamic Island is the new addition to the concept design of Nothing Phone 3. I think it would be a great addition. By the way, what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. Coming to the next concept design of the Nothing Phone 3, which has been circulating on the internet. A tipster Arpit Sung shared an image on Reddit, presenting a concept design for the Nothing Phone 3. The image shows a detailed look at the phone's back panel and its unique features. The upper left corner highlights a triple camera setup, which consists of a main lens, an ultra-wide lens for broader shots, and a telephoto lens for zoom capabilities. Positioned next to the camera lenses are the flash and glyph light, which enhance lighting for photography. The glyph interface includes various patterns, providing users with visual cues for notifications, charging status, and progress updates. The circular component in the center indicates the wireless charging coil, maintaining Nothing's tradition of transparent design that showcases internal hardware. Toward the bottom, the charging indicator provides visual feedback on the charging status. There's also a humorously labeled "'Cause Why Not" button, which could be a unique physical feature adding a quirky or customizable element to the phone's design similar to the iPhone action button. This concept art perfectly captures the minimalist yet innovative approach. The extensive use of glyph lighting not only enhances the user experience but also serves as a signature design feature for the Nothing brand. The Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to launch in the first half of 2025. The company is focusing on deeply integrating AI features into the operating system with post-app world experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Nothing OS 3, infused with AI features based on Android 15, Phone 3 is set to captivate tech enthusiasts with its cutting-edge features and sleek design. The Nothing Phone 3 details reveal a commitment to innovation, with a minimalist aesthetic and transparent elements that distinguish it from other smartphones. So what do you guys think about these latest designs? Which design did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.